Hi Year 4, we are going to have a cat toy sale. We are going to choose some of our cat toys to offer for sale to our Year 4 friends and parents. To do that, you're going to upload a video to our Flipgrid. When you open the Flipgrid app on your iPad, it might say something like this. There should be a white box where you can enter the join code. If you click in there, the join code is Year 4 Action Week. No capitals, no spaces. Then you click Go. It'll bring you here to this page. You can see at the top it says Year 4 Action Week Cat Toy Sale. And then below it has a page for the 4SH cat toys. If you're in a different class, you can click this white button at the top that says 6 topics. Then all the different classes will come up. Let's say I'm in 4HW. I'm going to click on the 4HW page, and I can see that as of right now, there's not a response yet. To add my cat toy, I'm going to get my cat toy ready. I'm going to think about what I want to say about it, and then I'm going to click this red button that says Add Response. When I do that, it's going to give me the option to make a short video clip of my cat toy. I'm going to do this and make my video really only about 10 seconds long, and I can show what my cat toy looks like and what it does. So I'm going to do an example one for you now. I'm going to click Add Response, and then it's going to ask me to join. I'm going to use my NIST email address, so I'm going to click Join with Google. If it asks me to allow it, I'm going to click Continue. Now, on my iPad, because I've logged in before, it comes up with my email. Yours might do this too. If it does, you can just click on it and log in. If it doesn't remember you, you'll just have to type in your Google email address. Now, hello. I want to flip my camera around so that I can hold it and show my cat toy. When I'm ready, I'm going to think about what I want to say, and then I'm going to click this white button here in the middle to record my cat toy video. Are you ready? Hello, cat lovers. You might want to buy my cat toy. I've made it from red felt, and I've put some bells on it for the cats to chase and play with. It's really strong, and I used extra thread to stitch the toy to the rope, so it should last for a very long time. And then I press that button again, and it's saved. In the bottom right corner, there's a button that says Next. Hello, cat lovers. When I think my video is right, I click Next again, and then I submit it. I'm going to make sure it says my name here. If it doesn't, then I can tap on it and fix it, but I'm happy with that. And then I can put a description, but you don't have to. I'm going to leave that blank. Then I want to make sure the photo is what I want it to be, because this is what people will see when they click on your video. So I'm actually going to take a selfie, and I'm going to take a really close-up photo of the toy part, not the rope, just the toy, and then click Next. So now when I click Submit, this is what people will see when they go to my class Flipgrid page. It might take a moment to upload, and then I click Return to Topic. Now, your video won't show up until your teacher approves it, but when they do, it will show up right here on this page. Later next week, friends and parents will have the chance to buy our cat toys for a donation to Paws. Have fun!